Today, I'll show you how to * disable folder backup in OneDrive on Windows. So if you want more control over where your files are stored, or you just don't want OneDrive syncing every change to the cloud, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn off automatic backup for folders like your desktop, documents, and pictures, and you'll understand what that means for your files going forward. Let's jump in. First thing, you'll need to find OneDrive running on your computer. Look down in the bottom right corner of your screen in your system tray near the clock. You're looking for a cloud-shaped icon. It could be blue or white, depending on your theme. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. Sometimes Windows tucks icons away here. Just click that little upward-pointing arrow called Show Hidden Icons, and you should see the OneDrive icon there. Once you spot it, right-click on the cloud icon. Now a small menu pops up. Look for the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. It's possible you'll have to select Settings more than once, depending on your OneDrive version. This gets you into the heart of OneDrive's options. Now you're in the Settings area, let's head straight to the Backup controls. You'll need to navigate to either the Sync and Backup tab, or it might just be labeled Backup. The name can differ slightly depending on your Windows version, but you're looking for anything mentioning Backup or Sync. Take your time. If you're not sure which tab is right, you can gently browse through the options. You won't break anything. When you find the Backup section, you should see a button or link labeled Manage Backup. Go ahead and click on that. What you'll see next is a list of folders that could be backed up to OneDrive, typically your desktop, documents, and pictures. At this point, you're in the driver's seat. For each folder you don't * want to sync, you'll either see a toggle to switch off or a button called Stop Backup. If there's more than one folder listed, no problem, just go through each one and make your selections. For example, maybe you only want to stop backing up your desktop but keep documents syncing. Here's an important moment. A pop-up window will likely appear, asking you to confirm that you want to stop the backup. Go ahead and press Stop Backup to finalize the change. Don't worry, the files that were already backed up aren't deleted. They'll stay in your OneDrive cloud storage, but from now on, changes you make on your computer won't be automatically reflected up there. At this point, OneDrive will stop syncing the folders you turned off. If you're wondering what happens to my files, good news, the ones already saved in OneDrive stay there. Now, if you want those files stored locally on your PC instead, you can manually move them out of your OneDrive folder back to your desktop or documents folder. And from here forward, any new files you add to these local folders won't automatically back up to OneDrive. You're back in control of where your stuff lives. And that's it, you've just taken charge over OneDrive's backups on your computer. I hope this made the process clear and less intimidating. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need troubleshooting. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.